How to use Pionex Crypto Trading Bot. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with the Pionex Crypto Trading Bot. So let's get into it. Now, what is a crypto trading bot and what exactly does the Pionex platform do for you? Well, trading bots are a very efficient and useful tool that you can use to start trading crypto. And the best part about crypto bots is that they allow people with busy schedules and people that cannot do day-to-day trades for them to automate their trades and be able to do day-to-day trading, spot trading, and so much more with their crypto investments rather than just, leaving your investments and putting it on auto invest and, getting very slow returns. Instead, you can use a trading bot to get daily returns and make money with your crypto. So let's get into the Pionex platform. So Pionex is a exchange with trading bots built in. It's like using Binance, but you have a automation feature in Binance, and that would be Pionex. And this allows you to build multiple different bots. You can create different kinds of bots as well. So you have a DCA bot where the dollar cost averaging buy and take profit at a time bot. You have rebalancing bots. You have other bots as well that you can formulate to better improve your crypto earnings and to make the better investments in crypto. Now, to get started with Pionex, all you need to do is click on sign up on the top right over here. And once you click on sign up, you just have to enter your email, a password, and if you have any referral codes. I have already created an account, so I will just go on ahead and log on to my account over here. Now you also have to complete this CAPTCHA. So once you have completed your verification, your account will be created or you will be logged on to your account if you previously have created an account using Pionex. So it's a very simple process. You don't have to, provide any kind of personal, detailed information. You don't need any of those complicated things. You just have to go on ahead and sign up with your email address or your phone number as well. So you can choose to sign up with your phone number if you choose to do so. Now, once you have completed your sign up, you will get a verification code. So you will just open up your email address, whatever email address you provided, and just go on ahead and log on to your email and verify your email. So that is something you have to do whenever you are looking to sign up. Just copy the code and then put it into the identity verification. And once you do that, you can just simply sign in. So once you have signed into your account, we're just going to complete our final verification over here. And now you can actually begin trading. And so once you have created your account, you have been signed up, you can begin creating your crypto bot. So you can just click on trade on the top left of your screen. And once you click on trade, the crypto charts or the, price charts of any crypto token that you select will be shown on your screen. So you can see over here on the left side of your screen, you have your order book, and on the top right, you actually have the token that you have selected. So you can go on ahead and search for any token of your choice and you can begin creating bots. Now, how do you create bots and what are the different types of bots? Well, first off, you have a simple grid trading bot. Now, what is a grid trading bot? A grid trading bot is a simple bot that you can create where you can choose to buy at a certain price and sell at a certain price. So let's say the current price of BTC is at $19,000. Let's say that you want to sell all your BTC as soon as it hits $20,000 and you want to repurchase BTC when it hits $15,000. So you can create this bot and the bot will do this over and over again until you actually turn it off. Then you have a DCA bot, which is a reinvestment bot, and this is basically used for you to be able to invest in a token for medium to long term. And then you have spot futures arbitrage bot. So what is this bot? Now this bot is not for beginners. It's rather risky because whenever you introduce leverage into your trades, you will be introducing risk. So this has 15 to 50% APR, and it does say it's low risk, but it still has a lot of risk. Now next up, you also have rebalancing bot where you can create your own index. Then you also have strategy bot. So You have buy the dip bots where if a crypto token is crashing, so whenever a price falls below a certain level, then you can purchase that token at that price. Then you have the moon bot, which is a wide range bot, and it is a alternative to holding in the long term. Now what this does is that this will actually be a bot that will buy in a long range. So let's say instead of saying like I want to buy Bitcoin when it reaches 15,000 USD, you can put a amount limit. So it could be like whenever the Bitcoin price is from 10,000 to 20,000, you want to buy it, and when it exceeds 20,000 to 25,000, you want to sell it, and then you can set up multiple different amounts that you want to do that, and it will do that, and this will recompound interest into your crypto account. Then you also have the same thing with Ethereum, and then you have grid bots, so you can add leverage to your crypto bot as well. Now I will just complete verification on my account so we can begin building our own crypto trading bot. So now once you have verified your identity and your email address and completed your Google identification, you will have to do that because Pionex does not allow crypto trades until you actually have verified your identity, and you can do that simply with a email address and Google Authenticator. Now once you have done that, we can begin using our crypto trading bots. Now one of the most popular bots is definitely a grid trading bot. So to create that, all you have to do is click on create over here. And now you have two options. You can use a smart AI strategy, which could be a 1-week strategy, a 30-day strategy, or a 180-day strategy, and it will show you the estimated APR for that specific strategy. Then you can also click on customize. Now, for a smart trading strategy, you can see you have your available balance, and you can choose however much you want to put into your crypto trading bot. So you can choose how much money it would be. It will show you in USDT. And then you will see your grid profit, the maximum downfall, and the volatility of the market. Now, you can also simply click on customize and enter a lower limit, and then enter a upper limit for the token as well, and choose how many grids you want to create. Now, a grid bot will basically do this method over and over again on a specific limit of time, on a specific, price range. So a grid bot can do this over and over again, and it can create multiple different grids within a specific price range. Now, moving on to the next kind of bot, which is probably the second best after a grid bot. So if we go into trade over here, now, I would not recommend going with futures arbitrage bots. Instead, I would go with a buy the dip bot, and that is an amazing strategy. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.